Okay, this is our Wolfgang coffee maker we've had for a year and we've used about 6 times because it's a piece of crap. We really, really hate it. It's the worst coffee maker we have ever had in our lives. Isn't that true, Will?
Yeah.
That's
Fucking
true.
sucks.
Isn't it true, Sam?
Yes, indeed.
Yes, indeed. Okay, so to show you how impressed we are with the Wolfgang Puck coffee maker, we're going to smash it and let the world see what we think of Wolfgang Puck.
Mom,
So,
move, it might fly
Willie's
out.
gonna, this person over here, Wabi is gonna take the first blow. and then I'm going to have my way with it, so, you know, here goes. I'm gonna stand aside now.
Okay, cool.
Try not to break my garden tool.
Okay.
So, okay. Just be careful. It's gonna fly towards the car.
Oh shit, I fucking broke it.
Wait. I'm gonna smash it. Really, get out of the way.
Oh shit. This is so destructive. Oh fuck.
Is it dead?
Rip out the intestines.